Good morning, kindergartners. It's Friday, and guess what happened overnight? We left the month of April, and we have moved on to May 1st. Fun times. May means that it's really springtime, and we really don't have that much longer till school completes this year. So it will be a fun time for us to get to do the month of May. We're going to have a lot of fun doing that. So, let's get right at it. I hope that you guys had a chance to watch the video on Paul. Remember, Paul was one of Jesus's disciples. So this is after after Jesus ascended into heaven, and then it is Paul's ministry. And you're going to really enjoy it. It's not very long. It's a little cartoon, but I thought that you would like to watch that. So make sure you watch that today for your Bible, okay? And then your reading assignment, make sure you look at your reading books and see what's assigned for you to do. Make sure we're practicing on our fluency and how smoothly reading. We're not reading Jack had to run home. We're reading Jack had to run home. Okay, so make sure that you do that as well. Today, your phonics paper is 189 and 190. Looks like this. Name first. And there's 3 sentences. Count them with me. 1, 2, 3. And how many words are there? 1, 2, and 3. Okay? So you're going to read this sentence, and then you're going to figure out which word completes the sentence, and you're going to write the word. You're not going to draw a line. You're just going to write the word. Remember, practice your handwriting on this. This is what we're working on, and this is what it's about. So practice your handwriting. Number 2, you're going to circle the special sounds and mark the vowels that are left over. Okay, and then you're going to practice your reading. The important times that you can read these words. I know it's kind of hard, but let's do the first one together. Plus. Plus, the pull in plane. And are there any vowels left over? How many? How many are there? There's only one, isn't there, Patrick? Only one vowel. So you're going to mark it with a special set with a smiley face. Okay? You're going to do the rest of them just like that. On the back side, opposites. Let's practice some opposites. I'm going to put this down. Opposite of on is off. Opposite of over is under. Opposite of cold is hot. Opposite of open is closed. Everybody give me a sad face. Now give me a happy face. Okay, opposite of sad is happy. Okay, opposite of sad is happy. Opposites. Opposite of day is night. Opposite of, let me see, can you think of anything else? Opposite of on top is on the bottom. Opposite of wide is narrow. We've practiced these opposites an awful lot. Do you remember the book that I had that I would go through? I left that at school, and I apologize for that. But we can go through these opposites really easy. So you guys have practiced those really good. So on the back side of your phonics paper, you're going to mark the match the opposites. Okay? So you're going to match the opposites. Pretty easy. Opposite stop is go. Okay. Then on number 4, you're going to circle the special sound and mark the vowel or vowels, whichever it has. And then you're going to draw a line to the word that names the picture. Okay, so you're going to read these words, and then you're going to draw a line. Why do we need to circle the special sounds? Why do we need to mark the vowels? Who can tell me? Let's see. Sable, can you tell me why? I bet you got it. I bet you're right. We need to circle the special sounds, and we need to mark the vowels so that it will help us to read the vowels. You guys are great readers, but we're learning how to do this, okay? So the more we practice, the better we get. The more we read, the better we get. And the easier it is. pretty soon you guys are going to be wanting to read a lot of books. And as you get older, you're going to be practicing a lot. And it's a lot of fun. I have a stack of books here at home that I'm hoping someday I get to read. Okay, let's look here. So you did this one. And now we're down here to 5. Match the rhyming words. Uh-oh. Do you remember? These are the opposite. What does it have to happen to have it rhyme? What has to happen to have it rhyme? Patrick, do you remember? What has to happen to have it rhyme? I'm pretty sure if we could hear Patrick on this, he would say it has to end the same. So it has to have the same ending as it is. So we have meet and seat, and they end A-T, A-T. You can see that. Okay? That's your phonics for today. Let's see what's going on with math. What's going on with math? Ooh, more place values. You have another Khan Academy video to watch. And then you're going to do this practice of this one. Okay, Quincy's place value. So in 32, how many bundles of 10s do we have, Eliana? 3 bundles of 10s. And how many leftover ones? 2 leftover ones. Let me just show you that, okay? Let me see if I can do this for you. So I'm going to put this down for a minute so I can write it so you guys can see it. Okay, so here we go. You see what I did? 32. There's 3 bundles of 10s and 2 leftover ones. So let's count the 10s. 10, 20, 30. And how many leftover ones? 1, 2. What is that number? 32. Let's do another one together. I'm going to put this down here. Sorry, I can't hold it and write it at the same time. Let's look at the next one. 2 bundles of 10s and 7 leftover ones. What is that number? Let's count. 10, 20. So 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 27. Do you guys think you got that? It's pretty easy, pretty simple. And after you watch the video, we'll make it even more simple. Okay? That's your math. Wow, this is exciting. This is kind of a fun paper that I threw in there. Oh, by the way, I also, at the beginning of the week, I put in some scavenger hunts that I thought would be fun. One was scavenger hunts around the house that you can go and find. And the other one was spring scavenger hunts. Oh, wait. I didn't give you the spring one. I'll get that to you next time. So right now, what I want you to do is I want you to do the scavenger hunt. Not this very second, but when you have a moment and mom or dad says it's okay, don't forget. Maybe you've already done it. And that's fun too. But it's something fun that you get to do. I thought maybe you'd like to have some time, some fun times to do that. Because in class, we always get to go do some fun things. We get to go search things out, or we have playtime, or we get to talk with our friends, and we're missing that. And I'm missing seeing you guys do that. So what we're doing now, I thought that would be kind of fun to stick that in there. Okay, last paper that you're going to do is an easy peasy one. It's a math. It's so much review. You guys will just whip right through this, but it's a lot of fun. I didn't want you to miss out. So you're going to count how many clocks, how many tables, how many teachers are there, how many windows are there, doors and chalkboards are there, and you're going to write them in the place that they're at. On the back side, you're going to count and write the cents. Now, why do we know that it says it's cents? We have talked about this ever since we've learned about money. If this little sign wasn't here, the C with a line through it, we wouldn't have any idea. It could be however many pencils there are, however many popsicles there were. But let's count the pennies. 1, 2, 3, 4. Penny, penny, easily spent, copper, brown, and worth 1 cent. So you're going to write how many cents there are here. Same thing here. What do you see that to be? Grace, what coin is that? That one's the same as this one. It is a penny. So you're going to count the pennies and you're going to write how many cents there are there. Okay? Let's stop for a minute and let's sing our song. Penny, penny, easily spent, copper, brown, and worth 1 cent. Nickel, nickel, thick and fat, you're worth 5 cents. How about that? Dime, dime, little and thin, I remember you're worth 10. Quarter, quarter, big and bold, you're worth 25 cents, I'm told. Good job. I've missed that. I've missed singing all these songs with you guys. All right, so down here, you're going to write the combination. Remember the number combination? How many cakes are there? 1, 2. What are you going to write down here? 2. Plus, how many are you going to add? 1. 1 equals how many all together? 1, 2, 3 equals 3. The next one, you're going to start at the top. Does it matter if we go this way with our number combination or this way? Francis, does it matter if we do that? It doesn't matter. It's the same answer. We get the same answer here as the same answer here. So up here, you're going to count how many pies there are, and you're going to put that group there. And then how many are you going to add? You're going to add that one there. Put that there. And then you're going to add how many do we have all together. And then down here, you're going to color E-I-G-H-T. What is that word? 8. Let me see if I can find those words that I have here. Okay, you ready? We're going to do a little say, spell, say. 1. O-N-E. 1. 4. Ooh, we're mixed up. 4. F-O-U-R. 4. 3. T-H-R-E-E. 3. I hope you're saying these at home. Robbie, are you saying these with us? 2. T-W-O. 2. Audrey, how about you? 5. F-I-V-E. 5. 6. S-I-X. 6. Levi, are you following us? Here it is. 8. E-I-G-H-T. 8. 7. S-E-V-E-N. 7. 9. N-I-N-E. 9. 10. T-E-N. 10. Okay, we're going to stop there. Those are some big numbers that we haven't learned yet. So, I also put on here for today, you have another exercise video to do. So I want you to make sure that you're getting your exercise and not just sitting around watching TV, playing video games. I want to make sure that you're getting your exercise as well, because that's part of staying healthy. Eating good food. Are you drinking enough water? And are you exercising? And are you obeying mom and dad? All those things are important. So I want you to do all of them, okay? Very good. All right, you guys have a great, great weekend. And I will see you on Monday. Love you guys. Bye.